So Sanskar, you please give your introduction first. Yes, Sanskar, your introduction. Unmute yourself. How much percentage you have scored in 12th and how much percentage you have scored in first year, means in the just previous semester? Both the things. And
Sir,
what is your future prospects? What would you like to do in future? Right? So these are the things which I would be asking you. Come on.
12th I got 75%,
Okay.
and in the previous semester I
I
got
can't
7
see your
point.
face, Sanskar. Your face is not visible. थोड़ा और नीचे करो. नीचे नीचे. कैमरा ऊपर आई मीन टू से. कैमरा थोड़ा चेहरे की तरफ करो. हाँ. और थोड़ा सा. हाँ बोलो.
In 12th I got 75%.
Okay.
And in previous semester I got 7.27.
Very good. Yes, Ekta.
So my name is Ekta Mathai and I scored in 10th 78%, and in 12th I scored 62%, and in last semester I scored 9.28 CGPA. And I am going to do MBA afterwards, after completing.
Ekta, am I audible?
So yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, your face is not at all visible, Ekta. Is it better or previous one was better?
Previous one, sir.
It's okay.
No, sir.
I think without mic it is okay, Ekta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So Ekta, you want to do your MBA afterwards. Good. And who else is there? Yes, Sharma, where is he? Yes, yes. Tell me about yourself. Yes. Ayush Bulchandani, you have not on your video.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is no option.
What option is not there?
Sir, to turn on my video.
Why it is not there? You find the option, right? And yes, Sharma, you speak. Yes, Sharma, yes. Not audible, yes. You unmute yourself. Yeah.
So my name is Yash Sharma and I got 72% in my 12th standard, and then the last semester I got 7.5.
Okay, good. So what you want to do in your future?
So I want to join. I want to compete in civil services, and my plan B is doing MBA from Manipal University.
Okay. And Sachin, on your video. Sachin, on your video. Sachin, I will just remove you from the class.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Where? Ekta, can you see Sachin?
Yes, sir, मैं दिख रहा हूँ सर, कैमरा ऑन है मेरा.
Ekta, can you see? Yeah, now I think it is becoming on. Yes, Sachin, introduce yourself.
My name is Sachin Kadwatra.
What? What you want to do in future?
Sir, I want to become a businessman, sir.
You want to become a businessman?
Yes, sir.
मैन तो तुम हो ही, खाली बिजनेस ही स्टार्ट करना है अब तो.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Okay, how much you scored in previous class?
सर प्रीवियस क्लास का तो सर चेक नहीं किया मैंने अभी, मतलब क्रेडिट थे सर 24.
अच्छा, तो 12th में क्या परसेंटेज था?
सर 12th में 78 पॉइंट.
ओके, गुड. Yes. Who else is there? Ayush Bulchandani.
Yes, sir.
I'm removing you. Your video is not on.
Sir, I sent photo to Ekta. My phone is not working.
नहीं, बिना उसके काम चलेगा नहीं.
सर मैंने एकता को पिक भेज दिया, मेरे पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा कैमरा का.
Yes, sir.
नहीं आ रहा बेटा, लेकिन ऑप्शन तब नहीं आता है जब अपना कैमरा खराब होता है या फिर कुछ इस तरह का रहता है.
नहीं सर, सिर्फ आपकी क्लास में नहीं आ रहा, वैसे सर क्लास में चलता है.
मेरी क्लास में क्या हो गया जो?
सर अब पता नहीं क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है.
चलो, एनीवेज, सो इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ आयुष. सॉरी.
Sir, I scored 75% in my 12th grade. And in last semester I scored 8.5 GPA.
Okay.
And I want to pursue my MBA after BCom.
Okay. So any plans of doing, are you taking some coachings or anything else?
Sir, I will join CAT coaching.
Okay, fine. So guys, we will be studying company law as you know it very well. So let me show you the course handout and course plan so that you will be able to understand how we will be proceeding further, though I have already uploaded it. Ekta, can you see that? I have uploaded some one file of course plan. It comprises of all the entire course, how we'll be going with one by one, step by step, right? You can see it. Okay, so, and Ekta, one more thing. Can you verify it with the syllabus? I hope I have covered all the points of the course in the syllabus. So please see whether it is verifying with the syllabus or not. Can you do that, Ekta, for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Ekta. And thanks for calling yesterday because at least you were concerned about the class. So that's great. So please tell everyone in your group also to join. I hope you have already told Ekta.
Yes, sir.
Share with you the course plan. Can you see this? Okay, so company law and secretarial practice, and your course code is CM2204, and it's a 3 credit course. It means we will be having 3 classes in a week. Okay, so there is a course introduction given. Can you see course introduction and what the purpose of the course is given, and there are certain course outcomes which are also there. Ekta, can you read it for me loudly?
Yes, sir. The course introduction.
Yeah.
The course is a this course is a core course offered by School of Business and Commerce for the students pursuing BCom in 4th semester. The course provides conceptual as well as working knowledge of the laws related to formation, running and binding up of companies registered under Companies Act 2013. It also enlightens students about various compliances required to be fulfilled by a company regarding various issues. This course will help the students in this course will help the students in developing skills for understanding the legal aspects of corporate business and enable them to establish and run their own companies and understanding the basics of its technicalities. Students are expected to have background knowledge of basic business laws related to contract and partnership, etc.
I hope you all have the basic knowledge of the business laws which you might have studied in your previous classes. Yes or no? You know about Contract Act, Partnership Act and all that? Am I correct? Yes, Ekta? You know about all?
Yes.
Good. So what are the outcomes, Ekta? What we will be able to achieve after studying this? Hold on. Yes, what are the outcomes? Here it is.
At the end of the course, students will be able to describe the relevance of corporate laws in social and business interaction, corporate citizenship, and procedure of formation of various type of companies, along with the documents required for the same. Critically examine and interpret the legal aspects of Companies Act 2013 and the compliances therein. Understand the process and documents related to various procedures, formation of companies, issues of shares, etc. under the Companies Act 2013. To learn making effective communication with various stakeholders of the company by effectively managing meetings of board of directors as well as shareholders in congruence with existing legal requirements. To enhance the employability skill by learning critical examination and interpretation of laws related to sustainable operation, ethics and governance of the companies so as to ensure compliances under the Act.
Got it? So why this company law is important? Okay, so we will be studying that. Okay, some program specific outcomes are there which are same as that of the program that is BCom you are having. Okay, and the program specific outcomes also are given over here, right? So assessment and all these things, please just have a check on this. I think you have a 2 sessions of 20 marks each, and in class business quizzes will be of 10 marks, or is it more with you? How much is the weightage of your final exam? I think this is 20 and this is 40, I suppose. Is it so? Other subject, Ekta? Yes?
Yes, sir. You are.
Am I correct? Yes, Ekta? Am I correct? बेटा हाँ या ना तो बोलो.
Sir, I am not audible or not?
Is this distribution correct?
Sir, am I not audible?
You are audible.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Okay, fine. That's what I also wanted to confirm. This is the entire complete course. So Ekta, request you to just tally the course outline with the course that it covers each and everything, right? So here is the session-wise introduction and all everything. Okay. So as today's particular thing is to just just have one-to-one with each other. Can anyone tell me that what are your expectations out of this course? Yes. What are the expectations of anyone from you about this course? Anyone? Okay, I'm removing this slide presentation. Okay, we'll talk one to one. Yes, एकता जी बताइए, what is your expectation? Yes, yes, आप बताओ. Yes.
So we will be able to know that how to build a company, how to make a business run by using the capabilities of how to run the business and also.
Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, Ekta, would you like to share something about this? What is your expectation, Ekta? Yes.
I think we will get to know about laws and procedures of companies.
Right. So guys, you are very correct that we will be studying. Achha, one more thing is there. Though we are starting today, but there are certain there is certain style with which I work. So what you guys have to do is that you have to form us. Maybe I don't know if you are comfortable keeping me in one of the groups, that will be okay. Or otherwise, prepare a separate WhatsApp group in which we will be able to communicate, and your attendance will be sent, your assignments will be provided, and all everything will be done. Would that be okay? Ekta, you have to create the group.
Yeah, sure.
So please start creating it, and as soon as it will be over, and please include everyone. I hope you have the list of the students.
Yes, sir, on WhatsApp.
Yeah, of course. So from WhatsApp, just create a group, and each and everything will be given over there, right? Okay.
All right.
Yeah. And you will find the videos recorded every day will be there on the YouTube. From there you can even see what you have missed in any of the classes. That will be doing, and one sheet I will be creating in the Google, and will share a Google sheet with you, which will be a record of the attendance. So I do not keep any register since I have joined this Manipal University Jaipur. Once at that time the register was given to me, but afterwards I have never used it, and that register is lying as it is with me. So I use Google Sheets, and I share it with my students. Even your evaluation will come on the Google Sheets. So everything whatsoever will be that WhatsApp group, which you have to keep active. Would that be okay? Yes, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So create that group, and we will see how we will be moving further. Okay, and make me the admin of the group along with. Okay, Ekta. Chaliye, let us start. What is a company? What do you think a company is? Come on, anyone. What is a company? Yes. Anyone of you? What is a company? Yes, anyone? Meanwhile, you can Google also. So those who have not shown their faces on camera even once, I will throw them out of the class, and no present will be marked for them. Okay. Yes. Yes, Sharma. What is a company?
Sir, any organization that works to earn profit is known as a company.
Any organization?
So any organization that works to earn profit is known as a company.
Okay, then how this company is different from a partnership firm or a sole proprietorship? You know about these two things?
So in a partnership firm, two or more than there are more partners. There are more partners, and in a sole proprietorship, there is only one proprietor. So there's only one owner.
What about company?
So company can be owned by a single person also, and by other persons also, by one or more than persons also.
Okay. What it does?
Sir, you are not audible.
What it does, beta? What company does? Company क्या करती है?
Uh,
Hmm? Or what is a company? How it is different from partnership? Only this is a difference. It can comprise of one or one. Yes, you have said very correct. Would like to ask to Sachin. Yes, Sachin.
Yes, sir.
What is a company? How it is different from partnership?
Sir, a business organization who's selling goods or services is called company, and
क्या वापस बोलो.
a business organization who's selling goods or services is called company.
Okay.
Hello.
So how it is different from a partnership firm, my dear?
Sir,
Have you heard this name, artificial person? Maybe during your graduation or so.
artificial person.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ayush,
And company has its company seal.
Yes, Ayush. Ayush.
Sir, artificial person, sir, company is a separate legal entity and it has its company seal.
Yeah, of course, it's a separate legal entity. What else? What is there? Is partnership a separate legal entity? Rohit Lokanda. Rohit, are you there, Rohit? Rohit. Yes, Ekta. What do you think? What the difference between private company? Difference between company and a partnership firm is?
So partnership is owned by partners who are legally in an agreement,
Okay.
and company is owned by a head who governs the different persons, employees and employers.
Okay. What else? एक वर्ड आता है कॉमन परपेचुअल सक्सेशन. सुना है? Have you heard about
Yes.
this?
Yes,
What is
sir.
that? What is that?
Perpetual succession.
Perpetual. What do you mean by perpetual? Perpetuity. Yes.
That the company will continue its existence no matter what the shareholder, company owner, what happens to them at any point.
Company will go on and on forever. May the shareholders die, or may the shareholders come or leave or join again, whatever. But the existence of company is forever. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that's what is called a company. Okay. Sanskar. Yes, Sanskar. Are you there? हाँ जी, संस्कार में कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे. I have to remove you from the class, Sanskar. Yes, Aten Goyal. Have you heard about this word common seal? Anyone from the class? Aten Goyal, I am removing you. Yes. Have you heard about this word common seal? Anyone of you? Sachin, what is common seal?
Common seal, sir.
Yeah.
So common seal, sir.
Yes, you can Google. Other people can also do that. He is not able to answer. I will pass this question to someone. Hanji, common seal actually is a hand of a company, you can say, or you can say common seal is a seal which is applied by the consent of the shareholders and is kept in custody by the directors or by the company secretary of that company. It is a mandatory for them to keep this as such, right? So that's what is the difference. Okay. Okay, fine then. Let me just take you to the formal class, or you can say the presentations from tomorrow and onwards. Ekta, at what time do we have class tomorrow? Yes, I think we don't have any class tomorrow, I suppose. We have class on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, I suppose. Ekta, just check out the time now. What are the class timings? I think the class time is common from 3:25 to 4:10, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And what are the days, Ekta?
Thursday and Friday.
Okay, and Tuesday? That is today.
Yes, is.
Fine. Accordingly, I have scheduled the time also. Okay. Yeah. Any problem? Anything you would like to tell me about that? How should I teach? Please tell. Nothing? Fine then. We'll leave the class here only, and we'll resume tomorrow. I mean day after tomorrow. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye. Bye everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ekta, please convey my message to everyone and especially to your class CR. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Ekta?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है जी. Fine. So you all must thank Ekta that she got the class start actually. Fine guys. See you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.